Okay, so let's continue with the error handler, and here we are in the controller. So this JSON, we are gonna put a comma at the end and just save it for now. Okay, so control tilde, and I'm gonna npm run server. Okay, so I'm gonna open Postman, and we can, let me see if I send it. If I send, as you can see, we already have the message, we have the stack, the error, please add a text field, all this information. That's fine. If we obviously check it, so we are just gonna get the message. We have some bytes as where we have okay. And what else? So as you can see, we set it here to production. So let me show you. If we go into the that env is set to development, so let's say we set it to production, so production, and save it. Let me see, let's just restart the server, npm run server. Okay, we send it, obviously yes, check it, so message is fine. But now if we uncheck it, we are gonna get the message and the stack is just null, so we don't have all that information that we have previously. So let's leave it for development, since we are not gonna deploy it yet. Development, let's save it. And okay, so let's close this one. Yeah, oops. So we are gonna go right now into, we are in the we're gonna go to the controllers right now, and we are gonna have, we can just leave this one for now, and we are gonna have the asynchronous method now. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to add this async. Okay, we need to add this async to the get method. We are also gonna do it to all these methods, so the post method, the, let me see, update method, and finally the delete method. So save it for now. Okay, so we need to install, so we can go like that, but let me see, let me close, let me open a new terminal, so you can just go right here and you can pick whatever terminal you want. I'm gonna pick, I don't know, PowerShell, and this time we are gonna install the npm, and it's gonna be, let me see, it's gonna be npm install, and it's gonna be express, and it's gonna be hyphen, and it's gonna be async. Okay, and it's gonna be hyphen handler, like that. Okay, so let me see, error, so oops, I messed it up. And let me see, npm express async. Okay, so here I need to add async, like that, hyphen handler. So okay, so make sure you do it like that, npm install express hyphen async hyphen handler. So enter, and let's wait a little bit. Okay, so we are here in the controller, and we need to call it first. So we are gonna go right here, and if we go into, let me see, package.json, let me save it like that, node now express. As you can see, if we go into the package.json, we have the express async handler, so it has been installed. So we're gonna go into the controllers, and now we're gonna have this function. So we're gonna have the async handler. So we're gonna have the async, let me see, async handler, so camel notation, Async-Handler, and we're gonna set it to require, and it's gonna be require, and it's gonna be express like that. So I mean the second one, express Async-Handler, and from now all we're gonna have to wrap this method, so this every async we're gonna have to wrap it into the Async-Handler. So we can do it like this. Let me see, async, yeah, let me see, async, Async-Handler like that. Let me see if I write it right. So Async-Handler, that's fine. Yeah, and you put you open a parenthesis here and you end it at the end of this curly brace. So we can do the same thing with yeah, we can just copy it like that, paste it here, and here we're gonna put close the parentheses. Now for the update method we're gonna do the same. Okay, I did the parentheses for me, and now we're just gonna close it. And now for the delete. Okay, so we open a parentheses, and here we're gonna save it. And yeah, so in the next video we're gonna start with the database.